What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to our channel.
UNV Original is back for a second episode.
The game show.
So why are we here today?
We have launched a brand new Wi-Fi kit. It's a strong signal repeater function kit I have hearing about.
I'm so excited to see all of these functions in actions. So let's go.
Let's go.
First round, take the kids as far as you can as long as it works. Jump over each hurdle and verify your distance by scanning your face with your kids. Who runs further wins.
3, 2, 1.
Are we timing this?
Nope, only distance minor.
Okay.
I win! I win!
Yes! Give me 5.
Huh? Why he's still running? Oh, he can't escape. I lose.
How long did I get?
600 meters. Eric gets 1 point.
Yes!
Round 2. Players will be placed in 2 separate rooms. Use only Wi-Fi kit to communicate. An answer will appear on the display and your partner is to give you clues without saying a word in the answer. You will have 2 minutes to solve as many cards as you can.
One word. Animal.
Like elephant or
Dragon.
2 words. A scientist.
2 words.
Einstein.
Second word. One word. Musician.
Beethoven. Beethoven.
Ice ball, curling.
Yay!
It's a tie. We have 2 winners.
This installation Wi-Fi kit is so easy to set up. It literally takes a second to do it.
Did you notice that we didn't have other communication channel? The one we talk saves the day.
Share yours with us.
And tag us or DM us. Whatever works for you.